Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lang, Saskatchewan, a small community in the southern part of the province. This village was established when the Canadian Pacific Railway expanded through the area in the early 1900s. Lang was named after George Lang, a railway official who played an important role in the line's development. Like many prairie communities, Lang grew around the railway station, which brought settlers and goods to the region. Over the years, the people of Lang built schools, churches, and businesses that became the heart of the village. Today, it is surrounded by wide-open farmland, making agriculture a key part of the local economy. Whether you are passing through or staying for a while, Lang is a reminder of the strong spirit found in Saskatchewan's rural towns. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lang, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.